Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to change the tail lights, brake lights, or fog lights for a MK5 Jetta TDI, really any Jetta. If this video is helpful, hit the thumbs up button, think about subscribing. So we're gonna open our trunk here, and you might initially think you need to take this cover off, or these covers down here off, but you don't. VW made these nice little Velcro flaps here. So with the ones in the trunk lid, all you're gonna do is push this here, and then that just comes out like that. Then you can change that bulb. Snap that back in. And then down here, same thing, except for you're gonna take this pigtail off. There's a couple clips in there you just need to pinch right here on the sides. And then there are this clip right here and another one over here that you're gonna push up, and this will slide out like that. And then you can change those bulbs there too. So I hope this video is helpful to you. I'm gonna have a link in the description for these bulbs if you need them. Hit that thumbs up button. Think about subscribing. Thanks.